Welcome back, scholars. I'm glad to see y'all working hard and diligently. I saw you through the Google or Go Guardian, excuse me. Uh, Teachers were letting me know that you were working hard too. So snaps for you guys. All right, the answers. We're going to be looking at this first one. This first one is 13 feet by 3 feet. We're getting the area. Teachers, I'm going to ask for the scholars to type this in the Zoom for distance learning and to tell you the answer in class. Pausing the video in 3, 2, 1, pause. Yes, love to hear that. So if we look at this, we have 13 times 3 gives us 39 feet squared. It is squared. Why? Because when we look at a floor or we look at anything, it is usually measured in feet or yards, and it is in square feet because it's a grid. We can usually get a grid and we find out what's there. And that's how we measure the sizes of rooms or any type of area we're going to be covering. All right, so the next one is 14 times 4 equals 56 inches squared. Now this one I am going to need some help because I couldn't figure it out. I only have one side. Can somebody help me out with that? Can you let me know what that other number is that I'm supposed to be using? I'm going to pause the video in 2, 3, 2, 1, pause. Oh, thank you. I had forgotten about that. I really appreciate you all letting me know that this is a square, which means that all sides are equal. So if I see one 20-inch, that means the other one's 20-inch also. So now that I know that it's equal, 20-inch times 20 inches gives me 400 inches squared. So those should be the answer there. Now we're going to be looking at these other ones very quickly. We are looking at the volume. And remember that in volume, we take the length times the width times the height. So on the first one, we had the length of 4. Length of 4. And then we had 2 cubes. That gives me 8. And then 2 more cubes that were for the height. So that gives me 16 cubic units or unit cubed. Either way. So let me go to the next one. The next one seems pretty easy. It was 3 times 2 times 3, which is 6 times 3 is 18 units cubed. And then the last one was 3 units by 2 units times 7. So 3 times 2 gives me 6 times 7 equals 42. So I have 42. Ooh, I don't remember what's there. That was, can you guys tell me? Is that the right answer, 42? Or am I forgetting something? Teachers, I'm going to pause the video here. Pausing in 3, 2, 1, pause. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you guys. Yes, I forgot to say cubic units. Thank you so much. Here's the answer. Cubic units or units cubed. Thank you so much for that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get back here to the slides. We're going to be going to our vocabulary next. I'm going to pause the video. See you at the next